Patients endure pain as many seek dental treatment in England. Dentists in England are closing their doors to new NHS patients, according to a watchdog. Urgent attention is required, according to Healthwatch England, the NHS organisation representing patients, since the situation is exacerbated by growing costs of living. For many, it was reported that they couldn't talk or eat properly since they couldn't obtain medical care for their condition. That the poorest suffer the most because they cannot afford private dental care. Healthwatch England said that the problem was dividing the rich from the poor and asked the government to do something about it. The administration said that it will increase spending on public services to make them more widely available, and that it also planned to overhaul the system. Health and social care spokesperson stated that ministers were committed to tackling the challenges as part of the levelling up strategy. Agonizing suffering is Ryan Herman's life. During the first lockdown 2 years ago, one of his fillings fell out. When schools were on lockdown, there were no dentists open, so he went without. When the discomfort grew unbearable, he visited an emergency room where a temporary filling was placed. However, that filling eventually slipped out. But when all dental services were back to normal, he couldn't find a local NHS dentist who was willing to take on new patients. He just relocated to Wiltshire from London and hadn't had time to find a new doctor's office to register with.